23.5 degree. So the northern limit of the sun is what? 23.5 degree north on the what? 21st June. And thereafter I said that thereafter 22nd September it is at equator equinox. It is in a tropic of Cancer. It is what? Yes or not? और जब northern limit जब पहुंच जाता है, it is known as what? Summer solstice. It is known as what? Understood? And now the sun rays are started falling at what it is? Vertically at equator on the 22nd September. And after 22nd September, it is known as the equinox. It is known as when it is falling at equator, it is known as what? लेकिन बाद में आपको समझेंगे कि इक्विनॉक्स का मतलब होता है इक्वल डे एंड इक्वल नाइट. एंड देयर आफ्टर आई से sun rays started falling at what? Finally southern limit of the sun is what? 23.5 degree south. क्योंकि अब actually में sun is tilted with what? 23.5 degree with respect to vertical. And thereafter I said this is, and I said that it is in a, और north में क्या होगा? sun rays नहीं जाएगा. Tiltation, slanting of sun rays, और northern hemisphere will become cold, जो अभी हम लोग देख रहे हैं, and the southern hemisphere will become cold. It is, और यहाँ पर आएगा दिसंबर में 22nd, it is known as the winter solstice. Maximum population lives in the northern hemisphere. तो अपने अनुसार से उन्होंने क्या कर दिया, ये क्या है? Tropic of Capricorn, southern limit becomes what? Winter solstice. जब यहाँ पर आया northern limit, it is becoming what? Summer solstice. When the sun comes on to what is in a Tropic of Capricorn, southern hemisphere, it become what? Winter solstice. That is, I said that 22nd December. Thereafter the sun started coming towards again equator on the 21st March. So 21st March and 22nd September. It is what? Equinox. Sun is falling on equator. And thereafter again 21st June, northern hemisphere is facing summer. And it is known as what? Summer solstice. So northern limit is known as summer solstice and it is in a tropic of Cancer. उसके बाद sun rays follow नहीं करता है vertically. So the final northern limit of falling vertically is what? 23.5 degree north, and it is known as the summer solstice, or it is what I said, that tropic of Cancer. And then southern limit of falling vertically is 23.5 degrees south. Understood? It is known as what? Winter solstice or tropic of Capricorn. And then when the two times it is 22nd September and 21st March falling at equator, it is known as what? Equinox. Understood it? I said sun rays are falling at equator. This is 0 degree latitude. Equator को क्या बोलेंगे? 0 degree latitude, and sun is falling at vertically. Yes or not? So vertically means what? 90 degree. Sun rays are falling what? 90 degree. अब sun 10 degree latitude पे कितने एंगल से फॉल करेगा? 0 degree latitude पे falling vertically, then 10 degree latitude पे falling, इतना टाइम लगना पड़ता है, 80 degree angle, and at, मतलब आप जितने दूर होते जाएं, जहां vertically fall कर रहा है, where it is falling vertically, if it start moving away from that one, it started what? Inclination, angle becoming what is that? Inclined. And at 40 degree latitude, at what angle? 90 minus 40, it will be what? 50 degree latitude. At 60 degree latitude, 30, 90 minus 60. So this angle is becoming what? 30. And at 66.5 degree latitude, 23.5. And at 80 degree latitude and at 90 degree latitude. So it will pass parallel. Sun rays will not fall on the north pole. Similarly, sun rays will not fall on the what? So there will be what? Tangential. Yes or not? अब जब sun rays नहीं fall होगा तो what is the property of any substance as per the specificate? They will keep on releasing the heat and they will keep on becoming colder and colder. Minus 40 degrees Celsius is a temperature or not? It is hot or not? Yes, बताओ. Minus 40 is hot or not? It is hot. It is warmer than, hotter than, it is hotter than minus 50. तो टेम्परेचर तो हर एक को कहेंगे हम -40 और ये -40 इसके बाद धीरे धीरे ये -50 एंड -60 दिस काइंड ऑफ टेम्परेचर इफ इट विल कीप ऑन रिलीजिंग इट्स whatever the temperature it has. Yes or no? So I said that north and south pole is not receiving sun rays when the sun rays are falling at equator. Understood? On which day? 21st March and 22nd September. Which are the date I said that? याद रहेगा ना 21st March, 21st June, 22nd September, 22nd December. बार बार घूम कर किस लिए दिखाया मैंने? मुझे शौक चढ़ा था so that आपको समझ में आ जाए, याद हो जाए. So I said that अब हम लोग देखने जा रहे हैं first I am going to see and this is I said that it is 23.5 degree north, 23.5 degree north and मैं इसको टिल्ट नहीं करूंगा, अर्थ को ऐसे कर, सन को ऐसे कर देता हूँ. सन इज फॉलिंग एट, फिगर को मैं टेढ़ा नहीं कर रहा हूँ. सन इज फॉलिंग एट ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. सन इज फॉलिंग एट व्हाट? So what is the angle at Tropic of Cancer of sun rays falling? 90 degree. And at 22.5 degree north? 89, 22.5 degree. 1 degree दूर हुआ ना मैं. And 22.5 degree it will fall with 89. 21.5, 88. 13.5, 80. Understood? And at 0 degree 66.5. Understood? Slowly and slowly it will keep on moving away. Yes or not? And इसका मतलब सन रेस इक्वेटर पे वर्टिकल नहीं फॉल हो रहा है when it is falling at, लेकिन फिर भी 66.5 degree is near to vertical. एंड 23.5 डिग्री साउथ पे कितने एंगल से फॉल करेगा? 23.5. एट व्हाट एंगल? 23.5. या 90 minus 47 means 23.5. जितने दूर जाएंगे उतना ही एंगल को माइनस करेंगे. तो दिस इज हाउ मच इट इज 23.5 डिग्री एंड दिस इज हाउ मच 23.5 डिग्री. टोटल हाउ मच 47. So 90 minus 47 means 43 degree at angle से it will fall. Yes or not?